In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull Google Analytics reports, a skill that can help you gain invaluable insights into your website's performance. Understanding how to efficiently extract and utilize these reports is crucial for making informed decisions and optimizing your digital strategies. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure you're in the right place, which is Google Analytics 4, often abbreviated as GA4. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the Reports section. This is your gateway to a variety of datasets and analytics that Google has meticulously compiled based on your website's activity. It's where you'll begin the process of pulling your desired reports. It's crucial to know which report you're interested in because Google Analytics offers a vast array of options depending on the specific data you're looking to analyze. Once in the Reports section, take your time to browse and select the report that most closely aligns with the insights you're seeking. Selecting the right report is pivotal as each report can provide a different angle on your data, whether it's about user acquisition, behavior, or conversions. Once you've made your choice and you have your required analytic data displayed on your screen, it's time to move on to extracting the report itself. Next, locate the export icon, which should look like a small folder or a download icon. It's typically situated towards the upper right corner of your screen when you're viewing a report. Clicking on this icon will open up several options for how you'd like to download your report. Here, you can choose between different export formats such as CSV, Google Sheets, PDF, or TSV. Each format has its own uses. For instance, downloading as a CSV can be extremely beneficial if you want to manipulate the data in Excel. On the other hand, exporting to Google Sheets allows for easy sharing and collaboration with team members directly within the Google ecosystem. If you need a polished, easily distributable format, a PDF might be your best choice. Alternatively, TSV is another option, useful for certain data processing applications. For one-off needs, these export options are ideal, as they provide quick, easy, and efficient ways to download data specific to your current requirements. Consider the nature of your project and your data analysis preferences when selecting the format. And there you have it. You've successfully pulled a report from Google Analytics. This simple but powerful process can unlock significant insights into how your digital properties are performing, equipping you with the data-driven clarity necessary to inform your future business strategies. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos if you're keen on diving deeper into Google Analytics or other digital tools. Stay data-driven, and see you in the next video.